Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a Mississippi pork butt in the Instant Pot. It's the same way you would do the Mississippi pork roast or Mississippi chicken in a crock pot. It just, a lot less time involved, etc. But anyway, come with us, we'll show you what we're doing and hope you like it.
You ready? Okay. This is going to be Mississippi pot roast. Most people make it with a beef roast. I'm making it with a pork butt. I've also have made it with chicken breast, and it's good any way that you have it. I'm going to be adding some potatoes and carrots, so it's all one meal. So I just got the little tiny potatoes, cut them up, cut up about, I think there was about 6 medium carrots, throw that into the bottom. Just move them around. Then I'm going to get the pork butt, put that in. See, I don't need a trivet because I have the veggies in there. It calls for 1 packet of ranch dressing. This is very, very easy. And I just put that on. An envelope of onion soup. A stick of butter, and the pepperoncinis. I have 1. I like to put all the juice in there. That was only 5. That won't do my family. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put that juice in there. Okay. Not bad, huh? It's just in there. I'm gonna put it on here. Oh, where's my lid? Manual. Oops. That one. Manual. For 90 minutes, and when that's done, we'll see what it looks like and what dinner will be. See you later. Alright, let's see how this turned out. I let it go for a natural release for 17 minutes, and already fed the dogs, so now it's time to feed the humans. Release that pressure. I just hope the potatoes and the carrots didn't get mushy since I put them in there and they cooked that long. But hopefully they won't. Me, I'm having steamed spinach and butternut squash. Family's having the potatoes and carrots. It smelled good while it was cooking. Now you saw I didn't put much liquid in, just a tiny bit with the peppers. Look how much liquid came in there with it. So,
Okay.
that's what it did all on its own. Now it was a 4-pound roast. Which, I mean, 8 pounds, but I cut it in half because there's no way we're going to eat 8 pounds of meat. So, I'm going to put this out. Hopefully it won't fall all over the place. There we go. And I'm just going to, they don't look like they're mushed. Oh, it smells good. You can smell the ranch dressing, and you can smell the onion soup, both of them together. I'm just hoping it cooked long enough. Usually it falls apart a little bit more, but it's pork, so it might not. Okay, that's that. I have the K9 garbage disposals at my feet. There's the bone, which I will probably cook off and make some broth with it because I have some celery in there, and I will probably give it to the dogs with some bone broth. They were happy with dinner. They got the there we go. They got the scraps of the carrots with their food, so they were very happy. Come back here. And there you go. It just, it'll shred up for me, I hope. Get something better, but you can see how it just shreds up. Nick will like it because he'll eat it like this, and then he'll make pulled pork sandwiches with barbecue sauce with it. But that's how it is, and like I said, I make it with pork, beef, and chicken. With the chicken, sometimes I'll do the onion soup and maybe a packet of gravy. With the beef, I can do the onion soup and a packet of gravy, and it's just as good. And The veggies turned out nice, and it'll be well seasoned. And I hope you try it and enjoy. Thank you.